I'm Mario Zappado. I'm Italian. I'm living in the Netherlands since 5 years, and I'm working for Nutanix since almost 3 years. I'm both on the technical and managerial side. From a technical perspective, I mostly follow important issue with our system. I follow up on different bugs. I provide guidance for the team on which are the most important features that are coming with the new release. I organizing the training. I'm also basically provide help with technical advanced issue. From a management perspective, I handle a small group of people. Right now they are 5 persons, and I handle from an administrative point of view holidays, out of the office, sickness. I'm doing that with the supervision of my manager because I'm still in a technical role, but it's all looking forward to a next step in my career path.
My name is Akshay. I come from India. Before Nutanix I was in France, and before France I was in Germany. I was doing my master's in distributed systems, and then I did another master's in cloud infrastructure, eventually moving here. I'm a system reliability engineer here, and as the name suggests, so I have to look for the reliability of our products, that they should be functioning properly in the customer environment as well as in our own environment where we are testing them out. So basically my role involves having a deeper insight of our products which we make in-house, which includes software as well as the hardware, to understand how they work, how they couple up together and integrate with how the different components integrate together, and how do they perform, and what is the performance, and what are the end outputs. So basically we have servers which customers buy from us, and we have to understand how the implementation will work when the customer faces some problem, how we can set the right expectations among the customer, and how we can take a proactive action, or how we can fix it in the least possible time. So that's basically what my job profile revolves around.
My name is Ahmed. I got my bachelor degree from the Higher Technological Institute in Egypt, and then I got a scholarship in the Information Technology Institute. I studied Unix and Linux systems, programming and administration, virtualization and cloud computing. I moved to the Netherlands last year. As a systems reliability engineer, I have to provide technical support to customers or to Nutanix customers to resolve issues relating to system operations, faults and bugs, and also Nutanix networking and storage troubleshooting. In addition to providing technical and business consultative during the support request lifecycle.
We are basically a big team working together on different issues, and so each one of us in the team comes up with a different skill set. So some of them are good in maybe a Windows troubleshooting, or some of them might be good in Linux or say Citrix or different technologies. So it's very difficult to have one person who can incorporate all the talents, or who can have everything together in his mind to focus and to work on troubleshooting. So what we do is sometimes it comes that we are across an issue which is impossible as an individual to solve. And the best thing about Nutanix is we integrate as a team together, and the coupling is so strong that if you are on something which is really hard to troubleshoot, we simply go across to our peers which are working along, and they do not hesitate. They come up together, we build up a common mindset, we troubleshoot, do brainstorming, and then help the customer resolve the issue in the least possible time. So
yeah, it's not rare to find out that there are 5-6 people working on the same case, all together at the same desk. we discovered during these years that we were applying without looking at it. We were applying the collaborative model. Basically, we are not based on tiers. We don't have first line, second line, but we help each other, and that sounds something sort of unreal. But I've never seen an environment like Nutanix before, where you can really rely on all your colleagues to solve a specific issue or any type of problems.
Yeah, exactly. What happens, I've seen most of the companies, they have like strict boundaries for their employees. Okay, this is what is your domain. You cannot go outside this domain. If the problem lies outside the domain, you have to escalate it. You have to send it to the right person. But this is the first company where I see that they're not restricting you for your growth. If you see that the problem lies outside your domain, but you have the capabilities to solve it, go for it. Do and help the company as much as you can. So that's what actually I feel is something which is different in Nutanix in comparison to any other company I've worked for. They never restrict your growth.